everybody. Hello. Hi. 1 second, please. Magnify. I'm Eva. I am Isaac. And together we are the Craft Kid. No, you don't get to eat it. Here's our guest. I don't want him to pee all over that, so I'm just gonna put him down now. Basically, today what we're gonna be doing is making energy balls, which are a new recipe that Mom gave us, and we have everything already laid out. So we're just gonna tell you what you need, and then we're gonna put it all in. It's gonna be a piece of cake. So let's get started.
Cake.
First, we're going to need a large bowl. Okay, and we're gonna have to put 3 cups oats. Here are 3 cups oats. Beautiful, right? And we're gonna put them in. Now we're gonna put the seeds in. So, we need 3 tablespoons chia seeds and 3 tablespoons flax seeds.
Ground
flax seeds.
or hemp seeds.
Yes. We need 1.5 cups nut butter. We're using peanut butter, but it says that you can use almond butter or cashew butter, but we're using peanut butter because that's the best. So we got our 1.5 cups peanut butter right here. It's a lot of peanut butter. And we're gonna just. So now we have our nut butter. We're gonna need 1 cup of honey. So, getting this out of the way.
A lot of honey.
For now. We need
I want it.
1 cup of honey. So, you can see this, right? I mean, yeah, we bought like 1 thing of honey, and it was all of the honey that we bought. Because we bought all kinds of really awesome ingredients for this episode, so we're prepared, we're ready. Now, we are going to need to put in this 3 teaspoons vanilla extract. I'm going to say it correctly. So,
That's correctly in Spanish.
now that we've put the vanilla extract in, we're going to need to put in the 3/4 of a teaspoon salt. So Isaac, go ahead.
I don't put everything in at once.
Not everything, that's it. Now,
That's everything except for the extra stuff.
no, we still need to put in the so now we're going to mix.
You're encouraging me, Floki.
We're going to mix this until it's very well combined and all of the oats are coated with this amazing mixture of awesomeness. So let's just, oh gosh. Okay, this is gonna be a bit hard. My hand mixing.
Yeah.
As you can see.
You might try it. No, it might break up. I don't know.
And while we're doing this, have a quick look at our sponsor for this video. Not a sponsor, but it's a shadow. Go ahead, start with that. Wow, that just made our lives like 10 times easier, don't you think?
Mm-hmm.
Continue. Do you need help?
Nope.
Something you need to tell me. So as you can see, all of the oats are coated with this amazing mixture. And now, we are going to need to divide the mixture into evenly among 3 medium-sized bowls.
That's what we're doing. You can do 2 whatever. We're doing add-ons.
Yeah. So this is basically if you don't just want the base mixture and you want to add on stuff like mini M&Ms, peanut butter chips, pretzels, those kind of things. You're gonna want to divide them into separate bowls so that you can, put add-ons in and stuff. We're gonna separate it into 2 different bowls for us because we have only 2 different ones that we want to make. So now that we have split it into 2 different things, you see 2 different things, we're going to put our add-ons in them. So what we're going to need to do is have a half cup of any add-ons that you'd like. This first one here is going to be mini M&Ms and crushed peanut butter chips.
Peanut butter, Reese's
peanut butter chips. So amazing.
I shall stir it.
Go ahead. Now I'm just gonna stir this. Don't make it fly.
We told her to do that before.
I'm gonna start on mine, which is going to be butterscotch chips, crushed or chopped up, not crushed.
Yeah, these are
and crushed pretzels.
Yeah, they're both crushed. Well,
look at this. This looks so good. So, sorry. He's fine. He's just trying not to laugh. So anyways, we have finally finished getting this together, and now I'm going to mix in the pretzels and the butterscotch.
I should try it.
Okay, you can try a little bit. That's it, okay?
I'm trying a little bit.
These are protein snacks. They're so good for you.
Yeah. Especially the ones with mini M&Ms in them.
Yeah, I know.
Really
It's like trail mix or something. We mixed in our things, and now we have to place each bowl in the refrigerator and chill for at least 30 minutes before moving on to the next one.
What?
So we're gonna go put these in the fridge for 30 minutes.
Also known as a half an hour.
And we will be back.
Also known as 30, like, no, 60,000, 60.
We'll be back very soon. Goodbye. So I just put a 5-minute timer.
30 minutes.
All right, 30-minute timer starting now. All right, we will see you guys back when they come out of the fridge, and then we can see the next step of what to do.
Boom! And then it'll be boom.
What did you think I was doing?
Oh, thanks.
All right, so now the 30 minutes is finally over, and we're gonna go do our stuff. We have our stuff, right? Now it's all finished. Oh, that's cool, because it's frozen. All right, so now it says remove the mixtures from the refrigerator and form them into balls using a cookie dough scoop. Or just use a spoon.
Or just use your hands.
Now we're going to, I don't know what we're going to put them on. And it just says store the balls in airtight containers in the refrigerator. So you just put them in containers. Okay, well let's make one and then we'll taste it. We'll taste one of each of us. And you can make them as big or as small as you want. You can honestly probably shape them into any form whatsoever. But
this is like way too sugary.
Too sugary. Okay, we're gonna take ours. I put mine into a ball, he put his into a ball. I'm gonna split mine in half, you split yours in half. Give me, what are you doing? Give me a piece, and then you're gonna have a piece.
Yeah.
Come on.
I don't sneeze on
You
that.
don't want that? Okay. So, ready?
Yeah.
We're gonna try the M&M's one.
3.
Do you even have any M&M's?
I don't think so.
Right, okay. 3.
No.
Okay. 3, 2. Wow, that's pretty good. Energy balls. Okay, ready to try the other one? This is butterscotch
I'll wash my
and
hands.
pretzels. Ready? Oh, pretzels are amazing. They are pretty good, both of them. They're really amazing. Okay, that's that for this.
There's so much sugar in this.
I know.
Per every ball, there's 7 grams of sugar. This was like a good energy bar.
Very, very good. So, make these. They're fun to make. They're really easy. And we hope you enjoyed this short little video. Yeah, but that's all there is today. So, we'll see you when we find a new creative recipe to make. Peace.
Bye.